Hi, so this is a demo of a tracked chassis vehicle with Bluetooth remote control being controlled in a GUI made in LabVIEW. And here I'll turn it on. It's a Bluetooth module saying it's ready to connect. I configure for my COM port. Here's a screenshot of the light solid, so it's connected. Now if I click on the top, it says forward. It'll go forward. I can stop it. I can go reverse, turn left. I can make it turn right. That's basically it. But yeah, so some of the main components here are a Bluetooth module. It's an RN41SM Roving Networks module I got from Mouser.com. And then I've got a Pololu voltage booster, L298N H-bridge, an Atmel AT Tiny 2313 micro, and a 5-volt regulator.